Howdy y'all, I am Carolyn Gibson and welcome to the Dogwood Gardens Herbal YouTube channel. My passion is teaching others how to make natural medicine and skincare at home using herbs, honey, propolis, and so much more. My goal is to be a reliable resource for teaching others how I make my herbal and organic based products, including foraging, growing, and harvesting herbs like we do in Texas. You will find many informative videos for making your own natural medicine and skincare products for a fraction of the retail cost. Plus, you will know what is in it and you can customize it to suit your needs. If you desire to learn the secrets of making and using homemade holistic products, then please subscribe to my channel below. I will be adding exciting new videos regularly, so please come back often. You will find many different topics, tips, and tricks to choose from, in addition to the extensive how-to videos. Hope to see y'all soon.